my name is Sohan, and I made a project called Burglar Alarm. So basically, this is the battery for making the energy to the power, and then it connects to the sensor base and to the sound. But I need another sensor because if someone passes through the door, because the door is the only thing to get the money, because the money is right in front of the door. So I need something to put something beside the door. So I took an IR sensor. So it takes the power from the IR sensor, and then it connects to the sensor base, and then the IR sensor. So IR sensor has two LED lights. The white one is called LED light, and the LED light, and then the black one is called receiver. And so if an object passes, then when it takes the receiver takes the receive to the sensor base, and then to the sound to make sure the sound will come. So basically, like, I'm gonna put the object here, then LED light will come and reflect the skin, and then it will come back to the receiver. Then it will send the message to sensor base, and the sensor base will send the message to the sound. So like this. So I'm gonna turn this on, the power model. It makes a light, and this also makes the light. So look, imagine this is a thief taking a bank, and the money is right over here. So he's coming quietly in the dark, and then he's going in. See, it makes a sound like this. So then he gets scared and gets out. So basically, this can protect my money from the thief. So like this, see, and then it gets scared and then runs away.